And today we're making Suadero Tacos
con pollo.
Beautiful.
It's hot. I'm afraid I'm going to slap myself silly with my tongue.
Suadero in Mexico cuisine is the cut that comes from in between the cow or the pig's belly or leg section. Aloha family and welcome to the joys of cooking. Hermanos y hermanas, en Texas y México, por favor, perdóname por poner el pollo en estos tacos suadero.
Whatever you said.
It's cooked in its own rendered fat. Beautiful thing.
Oh, interesting.
Taco suadero, they are some of the very most awesomest tacos you can ever have. They don't have chicken in them, but today, the Felixes like to break the rules. As you can see, we have many ingredients. So before I render it, season it with our copacetic marinade. All right, salt, roasted pepper. Flavor Town is what we do. And you want enough salt, release the hounds on some of that fat. So I set this aside. All right, family, and now for carving the yard bird. All right, so you can also start by actually just taking off the chicken wing, if you'd like, just like so. And a nice incision straight down, and just follow that breastplate all the way down. And there goes the wishbone, thigh bone. Pop it out like so. And that is good news. Half of the yard bird's already done, and then the other half. We're gonna come right underneath. We got the thigh. So there you go. EPCZ, lemon squeezy. And we're going straight boneless because we're gonna take skin and all. We're gonna render that chicken fat. The thigh bone, start with the thigh bone, is out. Then I do the leg. Our yard bird is boneless. Boneless yard bird, bang, bang. Okay, familia, once el pollo, AKA the yard bud, is deboned, very nice on the sea salt, we'll start by making a Chipotle Aioli for the chicken's Flavor Town journey. 1.5 cups avocado mayo, 3 tablespoons adobo chipotle, 1 tablespoon of our habanero blackened seasoning. We have 1 tablespoon homemade salsa verde. Ooh-wee! So good. Mucho bueno. Right there. Now we're gonna take this yard bird to another land. Chipotle, aioli on that chicken. Very nice. Simon, rub this down. Very nice. So I'm gonna put this right on top of each other, just like so. Boneless yard bird family. A smoky chipotle aioli. I plan to make my brothers and sisters in the Latin community very happy. All right, familia. So now that I got these turned over, we're gonna give it a little bit more of our magical super salt. Just like so. To increase the degree of Flavor Town, we're gonna go ahead and add some copacetic marinade. Just like that. Roasted black peppercorns. A nice rub-a-dub on the yard bird. Mensaje al pollito. El pollito has been massaged. I'm gonna take these beautiful yard birds and I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator overnight. This super bueno Suadero meat party. We're rendering a lot of fat and a lot of goodness into the meat. And to cut that wonderful fat and goodness, pickling Fresno pepper, jalapenos, red onion, and white onion. Our pickled goodness. Look at that. We will cover the pickle goodness and put it in the fridge. Mucho sabroso. Crema, 2 tablespoons of cilantro, 2 cups sour cream, 1 cup of heavy cream. People like using buttermilk, but since I'm adding a lot of acid to it, it's gonna taste just like buttermilk. 1 tablespoon lemon lime zest, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and we whip these together. And a secret ingredient, some chili pepper water. Holy of holy. That is mucho bueno. So for this avocado crema, we're gonna add 2 avocados into the blender. This is a lemon lime juice. 1.5 cups of cremita. Crema de aguacate. It's like avocado mousse. Just a little bit more salt. Maravilloso. Chef Hack on top of cellophane. Look at that. And into the bottle. No waste. Clean, 0 mess, and 0 waste. Very nice. Beautiful. Spicy. Salsa verde. So we got our tomatillos, a Fresno pepper, a jalapeno, white onion, habanero pepper, 3 garlic cloves, avocado oil, a little bit of salt, and some pepper. So give that a nice little toss, and then the oven. Everything is nice, roasted, GBD, golden, brown, and delicious. Right there. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, some more tar love. Very nice. Our roasted salsa verde. Nice. It is spicy, medium to medium high spicy. It's gonna be perfect for these Suadero Tacos. Pico de gallo. Very nice. All right, and now for the main event. It's been 13 hours. Suadero, we have our bacon, chorizo, and our Chipotle, copacetic marinade yard bird, el pollo. So we're gonna start fiesta cooking party, rendering the meat with our bacon. Look how that beautiful fat is just rendering very nice. And our chorizo. Mucho buenísimo. All right, family, chorizo, suadero, and our bacon is rendering on low heat. Now, pollitos, yard bird chicken, and I'm gonna sear them. Oh yeah. Release the hounds! The Suadero party, everybody's dancing, everybody's having a good time. I'm gonna braise roasted salsa verde with that fat. When it comes out, it's gonna be very saucy. And we're going straight in the oven. Let's go. For 2.5 hours. Look at that. Right off the bone, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that.
Delicious. Amazing. Scrumptious. My palate is doing fireworks right now.
And that juice, and look how tender it is.
Wow.
It's Suadero.
Spectacular. I'm afraid I'm gonna slap myself silly with my tongue.
This is judge number 1, Pastor Tim.
Oh, amazing.
I'm making 40 tortillas. 8 cups of the mix. We're adding 6.5 cups of water. Flour, water, bang bang, finished. 1 ounce balls. Taco shindig. The judges are waiting for the taco party. I will be judged on creativity, flavor, and goodness of my Suadero Tacos con Pollo. Oh yeah, that color, very nice, mucho bueno. Fresh tortillas. Family, thank you for joining us on this wonderful Tacos Suadero con pollo party.
Amazing flavors.
Amazing. Spectacular.
Tacos, Suadero, familia. I hope you folks try this recipe. Thank you to all our subscribers. We truly appreciate you. Please be kind to yourself and each other. God bless. Aloha. Tacos Suadero.
I'll tell you what. That's really good. Amazing.
Bang bang.